The random variable x has distribution n, mean and variance. N stands for normal distribution. Okay. It is given that p of x less than 7 equal to 0.2119 and p of x less than 10 equal to 0.6700. Find the values of mean and standard deviation. First, let us write the given equations. Given equations are p of x less than 7 is equal to 0.2119 and other equation is p of x less than 10 is 0.6700. Now, in any normal distribution question we have to make use of this one, that is p of x less than n is nothing but phi of n minus mean by standard deviation. Here you should always check out for this symbol. Whenever it is less than, only then p will get converted to phi. Clear? The symbol should be less than, only then p will get converted to phi. Now come here. Here the symbol is less than, so p will get converted to phi. Phi of 7 minus mean we don't know, by standard deviation also we don't know, equal to 0.2119. Now, to simplify it, I have to shift phi to the other side. When phi goes to the other side, it will become phi inverse of 0.2119. Now, when I see, look at this one, here no change. Here our normal distribution values start from 0.5, but this is less than 0.5. For me to make it greater than 0.5, what we should do is, we should do 1 minus. Whenever inside you are doing 1 minus, outside you should put the negative sign. It is a rule, man. Okay. Now, so this is minus phi inverse of 1 minus this is nothing but 0.7881. Okay. Now get its value from normal distribution table. If any doubts in using normal distribution table, look at the playlist in the description. Okay. This value you should get it to be 0.80 and here 7 minus mean by standard deviation. Now, to get rid of this one, standard deviation, multiply by standard deviation on both sides. So we get 7 minus mean equal to minus 0.80 standard deviation. Okay. We cannot simplify it further, so I stop. Now let us simplify the other equation. Here also the symbol is less than, so p will change to phi. Okay. So this is phi of 10 minus mean we don't know, by standard deviation also we don't know, equal to 0.6700. Now, to simplify it further, shift phi to the other side. It will become phi inverse of 0.6700. Now, this value you will get from normal distribution table and you should get it to be 0.44 and this side no change. If any doubts in using normal distribution table, look at the playlist in the description. Okay. Now, to get rid of this standard deviation multiplied by standard deviation on both sides, this gets cancelled. I get 10 minus mean equal to 0.44 standard deviation. Here also cannot be simplified further, so I stop. Next, what I do is, I write this equation below this, that is 7 minus mean equal to minus 0.80 standard deviation. Okay, now change, I have to subtract, means change the sign. And why do I change? When I change, only then the mean gets cancelled. It's like solving linear equations. Okay, so this gets cancelled. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. 0.44 into 0.80 is 1.24 standard deviation. Now to get standard deviation, divide by 1.24 on both sides. So this gets cancelled. On this side, 3 by 1.24 is 2.42. So we got standard deviation. This you replace in any of the equations to get mean. So let us say I replace it in the first one. So 10 minus mean equal to 0.44 into standard deviation is 2.42. Now to get rid of 10, subtract 10 on both sides. So this gets cancelled. I get minus mean equal to. Now you put all at once in the calculator. So you get the answer to be minus 8.94. Now cancel negative on both sides, you get mu to be 8.94. Thus we have found mean and standard deviation. Is this clear?